In today's video, I'll show you how to create a creative opening where tape-like elements appear around the screen, forming a frame and revealing your video in a casual and handmade style. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the framing feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find a tape frame, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, tape-like pieces appear around the edges, revealing the video underneath with a scrapbook style look. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the frame forms. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and playful. Longer duration slows it down, making the framing feel more relaxed. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the frame appears naturally with your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a tape frame reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.